Meal prep can be a great way to ensure that you're eating healthy, well-balanced meals throughout the week. But, it can also be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've put together this video to show you some simple and delicious meal prep ideas that you can make in advance and have on hand for busy days. The key to successful meal prep is to have a plan in place. Start by making a list of the meals you want to prepare for the week, and then create a grocery list of the ingredients you'll need. This will help you stay organized and avoid last-minute trips to the store. First up, we have a quinoa and black bean bowl. This dish is packed with protein and fiber, making it a great option for lunch or dinner. To make this dish, you'll need quinoa, black beans, diced tomatoes, corn, and your choice of seasonings. Cook the quinoa according to package instructions, then mix in the remaining ingredients. Once you've prepared the quinoa and black bean mixture, you can divide it into individual containers and store it in the refrigerator. When you're ready to eat, you can add your choice of toppings, such as avocado or salsa, for added flavor and nutrition. Another great meal prep idea is to prepare a variety of chopped vegetables. This can include carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and more. Having these vegetables pre-chopped and ready to go will make it easy to add them to meals throughout the week. Another key component of meal prep is having a source of protein on hand. One easy option is to cook a batch of chicken breast in advance. Simply season the chicken with your favorite spices and cook it in a skillet until it's fully cooked. Once it's cooled, you can slice or shred the chicken and store it in the refrigerator for use in meals throughout the week. One of the easiest and most versatile meal prep options is to prepare a big batch of salad. You can use any combination of greens, vegetables, and protein, such as cooked chicken or hard-boiled eggs. Once you've assembled the salad, you can divide it into individual containers and store it in the refrigerator for easy access throughout the week. Smoothies are another great meal prep option, especially for breakfast. They're easy to make in advance, and you can customize them to your liking. For this smoothie, we're using frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and almond milk as the base. You can add in your choice of protein powder, nuts, or seeds for added nutrition. Once you've prepared your smoothie, you can pour it into a container and store it in the freezer. Just be sure to give it a good shake or stir before drinking to redistribute the ingredients. Stir fry is another great meal prep option that is easy to customize to your taste. You can use any combination of vegetables, protein and noodles or rice. To make this stir fry, you'll need to cook the protein and vegetables separately in a skillet, then add them to your cooked rice or noodles. You can also make a sauce by mixing soy sauce, ginger, garlic and a little bit of honey or brown sugar. Once you've prepared the stir fry, you can divide it into individual containers and store it in the refrigerator for easy access throughout the week. Pasta is another great meal prep option that can be customized to your liking. You can use any type of pasta, such as spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne, and add your choice of sauce and protein. For this pasta dish, we are using whole wheat spaghetti, tomato sauce, and meatballs. Once you've prepared the pasta, you can divide it into individual containers and store it in the refrigerator for easy access throughout the week. Casseroles are perfect for meal prep because you can make a big batch and have leftovers for a few days. This casserole dish is made with ground turkey, sweet potatoes, and green beans. You can use any type of protein and vegetables that you like. Once you've prepared the casserole, you can divide it into individual portions and store it in the refrigerator or freezer for easy access throughout the week. These are just a few examples of easy and delicious meal prep ideas that you can make in advance and have on hand for busy days. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is to have a plan in place. So, make a list of the meals you want to prepare for the week, create a grocery list, and start prepping. With a little bit of planning and preparation, you'll be able to enjoy healthy, delicious meals all week long.